Our project is titled Securing Encrypted Cloud Information Under K Liability. It is supervised by Ms. Maithili K. So coming into in detail of our project. So in the recent news, there is a reveal that a powerful attacker which breaks the data confidently by acquiring cryptographic keys by the means of coercion or backdoors in cryptographic software. So once this encryption key is exposed, the only measure is to serve data confidently is to limit the attacker's access to the ciphertext. This may be achieved, for example, by spreading ciphertext blocks across servers in multiple administrator domains, thus assuming that the adversary cannot compromise all of them. Nevertheless, if data is encrypted with existing schemes, an adversary equipped with the encryption key can still compromise a single server and decrypt the ciphertext blocks stored therein. So in this paper, we data confidently against an adversary which knows the encryption key and has access to a large fraction of ciphertext blocks. So to this end, we propose a novel and efficient scheme that guarantees data confidently even if the cipher key is exposed. And the adversary has the access to almost all the ciphertext blocks. So we analyze the security of this bastion and we evaluate its performance by means of a prototype implementation. We also discuss about the practical insights with respect to the integrity of bastion in commercial dispersed storage systems. So finally, our evaluation results suggest that the bastion is well suited for the integration in existing systems as it incurs less than 5% overhead compared to the existing system semantically secured encryption nodes. So coming to the software specification of our project, our web application is done using Java, J2EE, and also we used various tools such as NetBeans and 7.4. And for the database, we used MySQL. And here is the implementation of our project, that is the web application.
In this project, we are having three three persons: data owner, data user, and admin. On admin, and if a person, let's say, I will show you that if anyone want to use registration means they have to go here and start using user registration here. You have to give the username and you have to create some password. You have to give his official mail ID and his location, phone number. You have to put his gender accordingly and start and register. Then he get one permanent key, like it is like a one time for every user. He have one for every user we are assigning a private key and a pass key. And for example, if you want to log in means you have to enter the private key every time. He has the same key, and if he gets at the time he gets the same pass key. That key, like for example, he show here we are getting here one pass key here. It is every time if he wants to log in means he have to use that key, and he can able to log in. If your data user registered means the admin has to either activate him, whether if he is a known person means he is admin can activate so that the data user can uh, upload his data. The data user can upload his data. See here, the admin can see the details of the users, like mail ID, location. Whether if you want to activate means he can activate. Whether if you found he's a fraud, he can deactivate here. And data owner user, if user also same, when whether his registration completed, he can directly log in here and he can upload files here. I will show you. See here. It is asking one signature key and a private key. For every user, signature key is initially we assigned that one key. For the user, it is the key. It is a signature key. Every time he have to put his signature key, and here in our tool we get one pass key also. Every time when he tries to log in, he has to put this key as an OTP, so that it gives an extra security. When he start verification, verified successfully. He can see his details and file details. We can also check his file details. Owner. Data owner can upload files. Here we are logging through owner. It is as I said previously, he gets one signature key that is same for every time when he logins, and he also got at the same time he also got one pass key that also like an OTP. He has to he also for verification he have to submit it also. After verifying successfully, the data owner can upload a file here, like giving file name and private key. You can see here is private key. He can give his file name, caption, and by giving uploading here, then he can check his file details also. Whenever he uploads a file, he can he have to he can check here. If you want to see means you can see, and if you want to download also you can download from here. The admin can see one. The admin, if the owner uploads means the admin see here file request. If he responds means if we click on the response means the file is automatically upload to the cloud also. At the same time it also upload to the cloud also. For securing users data, we are using Drive HQ Cloud, and the data is saved here, and you can clearly see whenever the data owner uploads any file, we can get here, and it also provides an extra security. It is encrypted. You can clearly see it is encrypted. If you want to download means you can download from here.